Hello students, welcome to St. Paul's High School. I am Mrs. Greta. In my first video on GK, I had explained to you what is general knowledge. Today our topic in GK is birds. Who are birds? Birds are egg-laying animals with feathers all over their body. They have strong wings, 2 legs and a beak. Most birds fly in the sky. Now children, kindly look at the picture and listen carefully to the important features. Okay children? Our first picture is peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is one of the most beautiful and colorful bird in the world. Peacock has a long blue neck, small eyes and a crest on its head. Its tail is very long and has moon-like spots which looks very beautiful when it dances by spreading its feathers. Peacock can fly up to some heights of the branches. They eat fruits, berries, grains and insects. Their feather is used in decoration. Peacock is the male bird and the female bird is called peahen. Our next picture is hen. Hen is the female chicken that lays eggs. They are one of the most common domestic fowls in the world. Hen is mainly raised for its egg production and meat. The hen egg is considered as a good source of proteins. They eat grains, fruits, vegetables, insects and worms. The male chicken is called rooster and the young one is called chick. Sparrow. Sparrow has stout body covered with brown, black and white feathers. They are very social and live among human beings. They build their nest in gaps of buildings, nest box, street lights and sometimes in rooftops of people's home. They make their nest using dry grass, feathers, hair, straw and strings. They eat small insects, worms and grains. Sparrows have beautiful voice and their chirping and singing can be heard all over. Hummingbird. There are many species of hummingbird. The smallest among them is the bee hummingbird, which is just 5 centimeters in size. It has long beak which it uses to suck nectar from flowers. Do you know children why it is called hummingbird? Because when it is flying in the air, its wings beat so fast that it makes a humming sound. It is the only bird that can fly backwards. Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird on land. It weighs up to 150 kg. It has long bare neck and long bare legs. When an ostrich grows to its full size, it can be as tall as 9 feet, which is the height of the ceiling of our house. An ostrich egg is the largest egg among birds, which is equivalent to almost 12 eggs of hen. It has long wings, but it cannot fly. The ostrich is also the fastest running bird on land. Owl. Owl has large eyes and flat face. It can turn its head as much as 270 degrees. It does this because it cannot move its eyes sideways. If it wants to see sideways, it turns its whole head around to see things. Owls are far-sighted, which means they cannot see things close to their eyes clearly. Most owls hunt at night. Hawk. Hawk is a bird known for its speed, particularly when chasing its prey. They are able to catch a prey both in the air and on the ground. They eat the flesh of smaller animals such as birds, rabbits, and rodents. This amazing bird has extremely good eyesight, sharp talons, and they are very intelligent. Flamingo. Flamingos are large birds that are identified by their long neck, stick-like legs, and pink or reddish feathers. They are approximately 4 to 5 feet tall water birds. They live around the lakes and creeks. Flamingos often stand on one leg to preserve their body heat. They eat shrimps, algae, and small fish. In Mumbai, flamingos are found in the marshy land of Shivri. Now let's begin with our question and answer round. Answer in one word. Question number 1. Which is the national bird of India? And the answer is peacock. Question number 2. Which bird is most common and domesticated fowl in the world? The answer is hen. Question number 3. Which bird builds its nest in the nest boxes and rooftops of people's home? And the answer is sparrow. Question number 4. Which is the smallest bird in the world? And the answer is bee hummingbird. Question number 5. Which is the largest bird on land? The answer is ostrich. Question number 6. Which bird can turn its head up to 270 degrees? The answer is owl. Question number 7. Which bird has an excellent eyesight? The answer is hawk. Question number 8. Which bird has pink or reddish feathers? The answer is flamingo. So children, today we learned some amazing things about birds. I hope you enjoyed it and understood the lesson well. Till we meet again, eat healthy food, stay safe, and keep yourself updated with your studies.